What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO JCB Lucky Cut Credit Card Cash Advance. Paano nga ba i-avail yung BDO JCB Lucky Cut Credit Card Cash Advance? Magkano yung pwede nyong i-avail as cash advance at saka kung magkano yung magiging processing fee or yung availment fee at the same time yung interest rate magkano at saka paano nga ba mag-request ng cash advance PIN sa BDO JCB Lucky Cut ninyo. Kasi hindi kayo pwede makapag-cash advance guys without cash advance PIN. So ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano, saan kayo tatawag para mag-request ng BDO JCB Lucky Cut cash advance PIN. Kasi kailangan na kailangan talaga yon. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, to avail of a cash advance with your BDO JCB Lucky Cut credit card, withdraw up to your allowed limit, usually 30% of your credit line. So pag sinabing credit line guys, credit limit yon. Via any BDO ATM or any JCB accredited ATM using a 4-digit cash advance PIN. A fee of 200 pesos or $3.30 applies per transaction plus finance charges. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin na to guys? Isa-isahin natin. To avail your cash advance with your BDO JCB Lucky credit card, withdraw up to 30% of your credit line. So magkano nga ba yung pwede nyong i-avail as cash advance using your BDO JCB Lucky Cut credit card? Up to 30% guys. So paano yung 30%? Like for example, may 100,000 kayong credit limit sa BDO JCB Lucky Cut ninyo credit card. So meaning 30% yung pwede ma-cash advance. So 30,000 lang yung pwede nyong ma-avail as cash advance. Yung pwede nyong i-cash out doon. Then, via BDO ATM. So, ibig sabihin, any BDO ATM, basta BDO siya. Or, any JCB accredited ATM. Since yung credit card nyo is JCB siya. When we say JCB, is Japan Credit Bureau. So, dapat yung ATM na yun is tumatanggap ng JCB credit cards. Kasi kung walang logo yung JCB doon, hindi kayo pwede mag-cash advance doon. Mabuti na lang kung may BDO ATM, any BDO ATM yon. So, make sure lang na BDO siya kung wala kayong makitang logo sa any ATM. Like, for example, sa BPI or di kaya sa Metrobank, East West. Kung walang JCB logo doon, hindi kayo pwede mag-cash advance doon. To make sure, sa BDO ATM na lang talaga kayo. Ano yung BDO ATM? Kung saan kayo nag-withdraw ng pera using your BDO debit cards. Then, using a 4-digit cash advance PIN. So mamaya, pag-uusapan natin guys kung paano nga ba mag-request ng cash advance PIN para sa BDO JCB Lucky Cut credit cards ninyo. Then, a fee of 200 pesos or $3.30 applies per transaction. Take note guys, per transaction. So ibig sabihin, kapag nag-cash advance lang kayo ng 10,000, tapos na-realize nyo kulang pala, nag-cash advance ulit kayo ng 5,000. So dalawang beses na kayo nag-cash advance. So meaning, on the next billing cycle, dalawang 200 pesos yung mag-reflect doon as availment fee for your BDO JCB credit card cash advance. Plus finance charges. Ano nga ba yung finance charges? Yung interest rate guys, which is 3% siya per month. So paano nga ba nag-work yung finance charge? Like for example, nag-cash advance kayo ng 10,000. Every month yan, hanggat hindi nyo na fully paid, yung 10,000 na yan, papatungan niya ng 3%. So, magkano yung 3% ng 10,000? Around 300 pesos. Take note lang guys na kahit 100 pesos na lang yung natitira na hindi nyo pa nababayaran sa 10,000 pesos na kinash advance ninyo, papatungan pa rin yan ng 300 pesos every month. Kasi kailangan talaga ma-clear yung kinash advance ninyo na yun na 10,000 pesos para hindi na kayo i-charge ng cash advance interest rate or finance charges. Then yan, let's talk about paano nga ba mag-avail ng credit card cash advance sa BDO JCB Lucky Cut credit card ninyo. Ito yung mga steps guys. Una is via ATM. Use your BDO JCB credit card at any BancNet, JCB or MasterCard affiliated ATM. Or pwede naman guys via over-the-counter. Visit any BDO branch. So, kung may malapit namang BDO branch, much better doon na lang kayo. At least may makakapag-assist sa mga katanungan ninyo kasi may mga employee doon si BDO. Via ATM naman, so kung May ATM naman kung marunong naman kayong mag-DIY or do it yourself. So much better na hanapin niyo yung ATM na kung saan may BancNet, GCB, or Mastercard affiliated ATM na kung saan tinatanggap yung mga ganong credit card. Then, cash advance PIN. So, nandito na yung cash advance PIN, guys. Kasi ito yung pinakakailangan na ingredient para makapag-cash advance kayo sa BDO JCB Lucky Cat credit card ninyo. If you do not have a PIN, request one through BDO Online Banking. So, hindi lang siya via BDO Online Banking na request. Pwede rin kayo tumawag sa BDO Customer Service, which is yung 48440. 02-48440. Para mag-request ng BDO JCB Lucky Cat Credit Card Cash Advance PIN. Para anytime, pwede kayo makapag-avail ng pera mula sa BDO JCB Credit Card ninyo. Important information. Fees, 200 pesos or 3.30 US dollar per transaction. Again, per transaction siya. Meaning, kapag paulit-ulit kayo nag-cash advance within a month, within billing cycle, so tatadta rin kayo ng 200 pesos na availment fee. Kung naka-US dollar naman yung account ninyo, 3.30 yun per transaction. But most of the time, since peso denominated yung credit cards natin, 200 pesos yun. Finance charges. Interest charges apply from the date of withdrawal until fully paid. So ito si finance charges, guys, kailangan nyo malaman na 3% to. Na-explain ko na kanina na kailangan ma-fully paid ninyo yung kinash advance ninyo para hindi kayo i-charge palagi ng 3% sa kung magkano yung kinash advance ninyo. Yung example ko kanina is 10,000. So 300 pesos yung 3% ng 10,000. Tuloy-tuloy yun hanggang na fully paid. Ganun din, kung 20,000 yung kinash advance ninyo, so magkano yung 3% ng 10,000? 600 pesos yun. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo na dapat kung may pera na kayo, make sure to pay it off para iwas yung accrued interest or recurring interest na 3%. Mabigat sa bulsa yun. Limit. Generally up to 30% of your total credit limit. So as you can see, generally up to 30% of your credit limit. So kung magkano nga ba yung pwede nyo lang ma-avail sa credit limit ninyo sa BDO JCB credit card ninyo, up to 30% lang. Tulad ng sabi ko, kung may 100,000 kayong credit limit, 30,000 lang yung pwede nyo ma-avail. Kung 1 million, so 150,000 yun. But take note lang, guys, hindi kayo makakapag-avail ng isang bagsakan na cash advance sa BDO machine or any machine ng 150,000. Unti-unti yan. 10,000 lang minsan yung ibang ATM, yung iba naman is 15,000. So meaning, kung 15,000 yung kayang i-dispense ng machine, yung 150,000 is 10 beses kayo magka-cash advance ngayon. So magkano yung magiging availment fee ninyo per 200 pesos per transaction? So sa 10, 2,000 din agad yun. Kaya naman, mahal talaga, guys, yung cash advance feature. Ngayon, kung ayaw mo ng cash advance, alternatively, you can use the BDO Cash Installment program for lower interest rates which can be applied for via the BDO Pay app or BDO Online app. So ito naman si BDO Cash Installment or BDO Cash It Easy. Mas mababa lang yung interest rate dito kasi minsan ino-offer nila is 0.39% lang, 0.49, depende siya sa promo. Yun nga lang, ang kaibahan dito, guys, is may fixed monthly interest. Month din siya, yung 0.49 nga lang. Yun nga lang, kailangan mong pumili ng up to 3 months, 6 months, 18 months, 24 months, up to 36 months. Tapos yung 0.49 na yan, or 0.39, depende sa rate, kung ilang months nyo siya gusto bayaran, i-multiply yan. Like for example, 36 months. So 0.49 times 36, ganun yung magiging interest rate ng buong cash installment ninyo. Plus, may fixed monthly payment siya. Na kailangan nyo talagang mabayaran yon kapag nag-reflect sa statement of accounting nyo para hindi kayo ma-charge ng another 3%. Kasi kapag hindi nyo nabayaran ng buo, yung outstanding balance sa BDO JCB Lucky Cat credit card ninyo, papatungan ulit yan ng 3% on the next billing cycle. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!